Hello, my name is Shamim. I am working as a senior web developer in Eicra Soft Limited. So in this tutorial I am going to show you how can we create and manage rooms and room types. So in our last tutorial we discussed about the relationship between room and room type. So before I start this tutorial, let us remind you again, room type is a collection of rooms. It means a room types is a types which points number of rooms. So let's get started. So this is our default hotel reservation script homepage, and I hope you all are already familiar with this layout. So now let's click on one hotel called Oasis Beach Tower Apartment. Click on check calendar full screen, so it takes me down to our calendar view. So this is the room that you can see. We have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 rooms under a room types called accessible rooms. So this is the room types and it represent as a room number. So this is a room type, means each room type contains a number of rooms. For example, if you have a room type called sea view, there can be 100 rooms under sea view room type. So we are logging as an administration control panel, and we will go to our list of all rooms. So under the modules you will have an option called manage hotel. So under administration section you will find a menu called hotels. So under hotels you will find manage rooms. So again, so room types is a type which contain a collection of many rooms. So in our hotel section you can see add new room and add new room type is just below here manage room, and this is to add a new rooms. So now we will create a new room. So once I click on add new room, you can see here is the list of the hotels I have available currently. So I am now working on Oasis Beach Tower Hotel Apartment. So I select on that, and system will automatically takes the room types pointed under these hotels. So I can find 6 room types. So you can see this is what we called as a room type. So let's select on a room type called accessible rooms, and I am going to create a new room under accessible room types. So my new room is going to be a classic special, or you can rename it as a platinum suite or deluxe or whatever you want. So this is called room name and room ID. So now room condition is some few words, whatever the terms and condition you have, and a few lines for description. One things I need to add for room types and room ID, most hotel I identify as a number. So I saved my new room under our room type accessible option, accessible rooms. So now let's refresh this page, and what I am expecting here is I would like to see my new rooms appear under accessible rooms room type. So let's go ahead and click on the calendar tabs. Yes, it is. Let's click on that. Yes, you can see classic special rooms appear just below to classic 210 room per night. So as you can see, classic special cost USD $100 per night. So once I added the room under a room type, you can see how beautifully it appears in a ascending order. So you can see the price USD $100 automatically comes, but we don't know how the price is set for my rooms. So basically price is set for room types. So in accessible room we have a price plan set up which costs $100 per night. So whatever the room we are adding under these room types, it automatically get the same price what is joined or what is configured for to the room type. So now let's go to the list of the room types in a different tab. So this is our list of the room types I have available. So it is a long list, so you can filter your desired one, and you can see there are lots of room types. So what I am looking for here is accessible room. So I cannot find my room types here, so let's load up few more page. And accessible room types is the room types where we have added a room recently. So here I can get the accessible room types, and ID number is 31. So let's edit these room types so that I can see which price plan it's set for this room type. So why and how it gets $100 per night. So as you can see, select the price plan. Here you can see a price plan called Valentine price plan is set up for this room type. So this is the list of the price plan. You can come up with different plan based on the season and your business demand. So here we set up as a Valentine price plan, and if you want you can click here to add new more price plan. So now what I will see, what prices we set up for Valentine plan. So what we will do here, we will go to our price plans list so that I can find the Valentine price plan, and we can make some changes to see how the price affects on a room types. So now I am going back. I want to see my list of the price plan. On the left hand side you can see manage your price plan. Click on that. You will find the list of the price plan you have set up already, or if you want you can add new price plan and join with a room type. So this is the list of the price plan we currently have, and Valentine price plan is the last one, ID number 12 here. So currently you see configured for $100 per night. So let's click on that in a edit mode so that I can show you what it has. So this is the list of the room types we have, and this is a multi-select option so that I can select which room types is going to be. And look at this, $100 is here, so I can change it in a $300 per night, and price per night can be 150 for a seasonal rates. So I can set my seasonal rates from any date to any date. So for seasonal rate I'm going to give a discount. So it is from start date to end date. You can see for seasonal I set up 150, and regular price I set up $300 per night. So now I saved it, and let us go to our front end and see how my changes get effect. What I did the normal. What I did in normal cases, the price would be $300 per night, but for Valentine season I set price for $150. Look at this. Now this is not a Valentine season, that is why the price is $300 per night for each rooms. So it means whatever the rooms we have set up under the accessible room type has been changed for a price called $300 per night. So I hope it is clear, and I hope you understand how can we add new rooms and join a price plan, and how can we change our price plan, and how can we set up our seasonal rates. So if you have any question or comment, do not hesitate to email us. We are here to assist you in every possible steps. Thanks for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed.